Good morning children and welcome to another session of English Grammar of class 4. Today we will begin a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, Kinds of Nouns. So let us start reading from here. There are three kinds of nouns: common, proper and collective. Common nouns. Common nouns are the names given to things, animals, places or people which are of the same kind. Examples: girl, class, boy, clock, pencil and park. Now, common nouns are the names given to things, animals, places or people which are of the same kind. Try to understand it from here. Common nouns are common names or general names given to people, places, animals or things of the same category. Same category or same kind. Same category or same kind. And the examples are girl, boy, park, dog or pen. Okay? Now here you have to understand that we are not giving any name to this girl or boy or park or dog or pen. It is simply a name. It can be the name of any girl. It can be the name of any boy. It refers to any girl or any boy. When we do not give any name to a particular person, that is called a common noun. Okay? For example, for people we have written girl or a boy or a man, woman, okay? These are the examples of common nouns because it refers to any girl, any boy, any man or any woman. When we talk about places, we can write park or city. Okay, we are not giving any names. Alright, it can refer to any park or any city. So these are called common nouns for places. And for animals, we can write dog, cat, lion, monkey, etc. Okay? We are not specifying any name of the dog or the cat or the lion. Okay? It can be any dog, any cat or any lion. All these names are common nouns. Okay? We are not naming anything. We are not specifying or pointing a particular dog or a particular cat. So these type of animals, name of animals are come under common nouns. Now, for things, we can write pen, pencil, table, mat, etc. These are the common nouns for things. Okay, because we are not specifying which pen it is. We are not specifying which pencil it is or which table it is. So these type of names are common nouns, which are common names. Common names, but we are not specifying anything. Now we will read further. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are the names of particular persons, places, animals or things. For example, Indira Gandhi, India, New Delhi, Commonwealth Games, Himalayas. Now children, look here. Proper nouns are special names or specific names. What are proper nouns? Special names given to people, places, animals or things. For example, let us take an example of people or person. MS Dhoni. Now this is the name of this is a special name, na? Special name given to a cricketer. We know it. It is MS Dhoni, or it can be the name of any person. It can be your name also. That is a proper noun. Okay. Now for place, I have written Ranchi. It can be any place, Ranchi, Patna, Delhi, Kolkata, alright. And also the name of any particular park, okay, like Central Park. So that also comes under place. We can write Central Park. Central Park. Here we wrote it, na? Here we wrote it park for common noun because we are not stating any name here. So that is why park is a common noun. But when we state a name, when we specify a name to it, like here I have done Central Park, then it will become a proper noun. Now for animal, here we wrote it dog, cat, lion, monkey. I have written a name of a dog, that is Tommy. Okay, the name of a dog, Tommy. When we give a name to an animal, it will become a proper noun. Okay. Now for thing I have written Reynolds pen. You might have used this pen, na? From the company Reynolds. I have written that pen. Here in common noun, I wrote pen. Pen is a common noun because we are not specifying any name. We are not giving any specific or special name to it. So that is why if we write only pen, it will be a common noun. But if we give a specific name to it, if we specify which pen it is, for example Reynolds pen, then it will become a proper noun. So there is a simple, very small difference between common and proper noun. That is what is, I'm trying to teach you here. Common nouns are simple common names given to people, places, animals or things. But in proper nouns, we give special names to these people, places, animals or things. Common nouns, we do not give any name. We simply write the names of people, places, animals or things of the same kind. Whereas in proper noun, we write the special names, the specific names for a person, place, animal or thing. So I hope this is understood, children. We will understand it further by reading the list of nouns. Then we will understand it more. So let us see. Here is a list of some nouns. Common nouns, proper nouns. Can you see two columns here? Okay, the left side is common nouns and on the right side we have proper nouns. Now you will get to know the difference. Countries, common noun, countries. Country is a common noun. Whereas India, Japan, China, Pakistan, okay, all these are proper nouns. When we give any name to a common noun, that type of noun is called proper noun. That becomes a proper noun. Example, cities. Okay, it means it refers to any city. We don't know which city. Okay, it can be any city. But when we say Delhi, Kolkata, Jaipur or this one, Mumbai, anything like that, if we name a city, that becomes a proper noun. Okay, for rivers, from rivers we do not understand which river. It is simply a river. It can be any river. Okay, so when we say a river, it is a common noun. But when we give a name to it, for example Yamuna, Godavari, Ganga, when we give a name to it, it becomes a proper noun. It refers to a proper noun. Players. Players can be any player. It can be any player. We don't know whether he is a hockey player or cricket player or tennis player. We don't know. Okay. It can be any player. Okay. Now, in the proper noun section, it is given Sachin Tendulkar, Saina Nehwal. Okay. So, these are the name of special players. Okay. Not special players. These are the names of players. When we take the name of players, those names itself refers to proper noun. Okay. Those names refer to proper nouns. Pencils. A pencil can be any pencil. If I say pencil, it can be any pencil. But when I specify which type of pencil, Apsara pencil or Natraj pencil, then that name is called a proper noun. Now days. Days can be any days. Okay. If I say, for example, if I try to say, if I write it like this, I will come on the next day. I will come on the next day. What do you understand by it? Day. We are not giving any name to it. Okay. So this day is a common noun. It is a common noun. But when I will write, I will come on, let's say, Monday. We are giving the name. We are specifying the name of the day. So this is a proper noun. This is a proper noun. So I hope you understand this. Okay, whenever we give a name to anything, it is a proper noun. And whenever we do not give a name, we are simply writing the name of things, animals, places or people of the same kind in general, then it is a common noun. Last one, buildings. Buildings refer to any building of the world. We don't know. But when we specify the name, Taj Mahal, Red Fort or Charminar, okay, we know that it is a proper noun. It becomes a proper noun. Now, note that all proper nouns begin with capital letters. You have to remember this. It is very, very important that all proper nouns begin with capital letter. Can you see it? Yes. All proper nouns begin with capital letter. Always and always. Okay? That is a must that you have to follow. Alright? Whereas common nouns, it is not necessary that it has to begin with capital letter. Proper nouns, it is very, very important to write it with capital letter. Now, I hope you have understood this part. If you have any problem, you can put up your questions and your doubts will be cleared. Okay? Now, let us do this exercise. Exercise number A. If we will do it, we will get to know, we will understand the difference between common nouns and proper nouns. So let us start. Match the common nouns with the proper nouns. Common nouns and proper nouns. Boy. So boy, can you find the name of a boy here? What is the name of a boy? Richa? No, I don't think Richa is the name of a boy. Rahul is the name of a boy. Alright. So, I have written Rahul. Boy is Rahul. Okay. Girl is Richa. City is Mumbai. Country is China. River. Where is the name of the river? Can you find here? Godavari. Yes. School. Name of the school, St. Joseph's Convent. Here it is. Continent. The name of the continent. Any name of the continent? Here it is Asia. Now, here it is cartoon character. Can you find the name of any cartoon character here? Donald Duck. Alright. So this is how we find a common noun. We connect a common noun with a proper noun. Alright. When we say a boy, we don't know which boy. It is the name of a person in general. Okay. So here this is a common noun. But when we take the name of that boy, Rahul or Mayank or Amit or Abhishek, it becomes a proper noun. Now can you see it? All the proper nouns are written in capital letter everywhere. Can you see it? That is the rule that we have to follow every time. Alright? So this exercise, I hope you have understood this, and this will also be given to you in the dashboard. Okay, all these answers where you can access these answers and you can write it in your English 1 note copy. Okay, now turn to the next page. We have the next exercise. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letters where needed. So we have to rewrite the sentence using capital letters. First one, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. So Mumbai, you know, it is the name of a city. So we have to write, it is a proper noun. So we have to write it in capital letter. So M will be written in capital letter. Is the capital of Maharashtra. Now Maharashtra is the name of a state and it is also a proper noun. So it should be written with capital letter M. Rahul Sharma. It is the name of a person. So we will write the first letter in capital. R of Rahul and S of Sharma. Okay. Now third sentence. Rahul Sharma came first in the race. Alright. This is understood. Now we will move to the next sentence. I have read Ramayana many times. I is always in capital letter. Okay. It's a pronoun and it has to be written in capital letter. Ramayana, it is the name of a book. So we have to write it in capital letter. Okay. Capital R. My parents are from Kolkata. My. Okay. Again a pronoun. We have to write it in capital letter. M will be capital. Parents are from Kolkata. Kolkata is the name of a place. So K will be in capital. Have you ever visited Shimla? Capital H. Alright. We have to write capital H. First of all, whenever we begin to write a sentence, we always begin it with capital letter. That is the rule, okay, that you have to follow. Have you ever visited Shimla? Shimla is the name of a place, so S will be in capital. Smita and Namita are my classmates. It is the name of the girls, okay, it is the name of people. Alright, so it should be written in capital. S capital of Smita and N capital of Namita. Modern High School is closed today. Now, the name of the school should always be written in capital letter. It is also a proper noun. Okay, like you also already write it now in your copy. Mount Carmel School. Capital M, capital C, and capital S. In the same way, it has to be written in capital letter. Modern, the M should be in capital. High, the H should be in capital, and S, school, the S should be in capital. Okay. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Now, whenever we begin a sentence, we always begin it with capital letter. So that is why T will be capital of the. Taj Mahal is the name of a monument. It is a proper noun. So we have to begin it with capital letters. Capital T, capital M. Agra is the name of a place. Capital A. Alright. So I hope this is understood. I will give it to you in a full written form in the dashboard. You have to write it in copy. Alright. So let us move to the next exercise. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns in the given sentences. You have to underline common nouns and circle proper nouns. I told you what is a common noun. Name of common names given to people, places, animals or things. And proper nouns are special names or specific names given to person, given to people, places, animals or things. Okay, so let us do this exercise. My birthday is in December. Birthday is a common noun, so we have underlined it. December, it is the name of a month, so it should be circled. It's a proper noun. My father reads the Times of India in the morning. Father is a common noun because it can refer to any father in the world. Like here, it is a common noun. Birthday can be the birthday of anyone. So common nouns should be underlined. So I have underlined it. The Times of India, it is the name of a newspaper, so it should be circled. It's a proper noun. And morning, it refers to any morning, so it can be underlined. Okay. Now, Vishesh and Vishal play cricket in the park. Vishesh and Vishal are names of boys, so it should be, it's the name of people, it should be capitalized. Okay, and it should be circled because it is a proper noun. Play cricket in the park. Now, cricket and park are common nouns because park refers to any park and cricket refers to any cricket match. The leopard has black spots on its body. Leopard. Leopard is the name of an animal. We have not given any name to it, so it is a common noun. It is underlined. Spots is underlined. It refers to any spots. Body is underlined. It refers to anyone's body. Okay. Next, I will visit Europe in January. Now, Europe is the name of a place. So, it should be circled because it is a proper noun. January, again, it is the name of a month. So, it is a proper noun. We have circled it. Next one, the school remains closed on Saturdays. School, it refers to any school. So, it is a common noun. I have underlined it. Saturday, Saturday is a proper noun. It is the name of a day of a week. The play is written by Shakespeare. Now, play is a drama. It can be any play. So, it is a common noun. Whereas, Shakespeare is the name of a person. It is the name of a person, well-known person, William Shakespeare. So, we have circled it because it is a proper noun. She stays in Ranchi. So, Ranchi is a proper noun because it is the name of a place, as you know. So, till here, you should be able to write it in your copy. Okay, you have to write it in your copy, refer to the dashboard and access the answers, and please write it down, please revise it. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, please take my help. Okay, so till we meet in the next video, you keep learning and stay safe. Thank you.